tree, oh, Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging.
It's time for us to prepare the magic.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Christmas is a yearly celebration remembering the introduction of Jesus Christ, noticed essentially on December 25th as a strict and social festival among billions of individuals around the world. A banquet key to the Christian ceremonial year, it is gone before by the period of Advent or the Nativity fast and starts the period of Christmastide, which generally in the West endures 12 days and finishes on the 12th night. In certain customs, Christmastide incorporates an octave. Christmas Day is a public occasion in a large number of the world's nations, is praised strictly by a lion's share of Christians, just as socially by numerous non-Christians, and structures a vital piece of the Christmas season based on it. I hope you find this video on promotional video ideas helpful. So, if you want to apply this to your ad, go to the link in the description below and download this ads.
That we hold so dear at this wonderful time of the year.